Welcome to Massive Infinity Knowledge.
What is three-tier architecture components of checkpoint firewall? The three-tier architecture components are below: security management, security gateway, and smart console. What is difference between standalone deployment and distributed deployment? Standalone deployment. Standalone deployment, security gateway and security management server installed on the same machine is called standalone deployment. Distributed deployment. Distributed deployment, security gateway and security management server installed on the different machine is called distributed deployment. Standalone means installed on the same machine, gateway and management. Distributed means gateway and management installed in the different machine is called distributed. What is SIC? SIC. SIC stands for Secure Internal Communication. Creates trusted connections between security gateways, management servers and other checkpoint components. It's used when security gateway and security management server installed in distributed deployment method. That time only we are using SIC. It is authentication and encryption for secure communication. What is explicit rule? Explicit rule is created by the firewall administrator to allow or to block traffic based on specified criteria. What is stealth rule? Stealth rule that prevents direct access to the security gateway. Stealth rule protects the checkpoint firewall from the direct access from any of the network and protect from attack. It should be placed on the top of the security rule base. What is the cleanup rule? Drops all the traffic that is not allowed by the earlier rules. Cleanup rules placed at the last of the security rule base. Cleanup rule mainly created for log purpose. What is smart dashboard? It is a GUI client you use to manage the checkpoint environment. It is used to configure rule, policy object, create NAT policy, configure VPN and cluster. What is difference between ESP and AH? ESP Encapsulation Security Payload IP Protocol 50 encrypts packet payloads, optional authentication and to the integrity, used in both mode, tunnel mode and transport mode. H Authentication Header IP Protocol 51. It authenticates the packets including IP header but does not provide encryption, used two mode, transport mode and tunnel mode. What is the packet flow of checkpoint firewall? SAM database, SAM, address spoofing, session lookup, policy lookup, destination NAT, route lookup, source NAT, layer 7 inspection, VPN, routing. What are checkpoint OS? IPSO, Nokia IPSO, Secure Platform, SPLAT, Linux distribution based on Red Hat Enterprises. Latest Gaia R8040 and now released R8041 as well. Difference between automatic NAT and manual NAT. Automatic NAT, manual NAT. Automatically created by firewall is called automatic NAT, created by administrator. NAT rule not able to modify. Automatic NAT rule not able to modify. NAT rule able to modify. Not able to create no NAT rule. Able to create no NAT rule. Cannot create dual NAT. Can be create dual NAT. Port forwarding is not possible. Port forwarding is possible. Proxy ARP by default enabled. Proxy ARP by default not enabled.
All the best for your interview.